Now that we've built some basic formulas within our report, it's time to introduce Excel functions. And what a function is a predefined formula that performs a calculation that's already built into Excel. So instead of building the formulas ourselves, Excel provides us a massive library of different types of functions that can increase our efficiency and save us a bunch of time. Now there's three parts to a function. Every function must begin with the equal sign, and then it will have the function name. And beside the function name will be parentheses, and this is where the arguments will be placed. And depending on which function we're using at the time will depend on how many arguments that function needs to use to give us the correct answer. Some functions may only need one argument, some other functions may need 4 arguments, so it just all depends. And as a quick example, I'm going to be inserting one of the most commonly used functions in Excel, which is the sum function, and we'll touch on this more in detail in the next video. So I'm going to start typing the equal sign and then sum. Double click sum right here. And the only reason why I'm showing this right now is to explain the function arguments window that we will be working in a lot throughout this course. To get to the function argument window, you want to go up here to the formula bar, and just to the left there's this FX button. This window is actually very helpful when using functions because it kind of gives you a guide on how to use the function. For example, it tells you what the function actually does. It explains each argument of the function, and there is a hyperlink to get help on the function, which will guide you to a Microsoft support page. So throughout this course, we will definitely be working in this window quite often. Alright, so that's the basics of the function argument window. I'm going to cancel out of this. And now I'm going to show you where Excel stores all its functions. So we're going to go up here to the Formula tab, and right here under the Function Library group is where Excel has all their functions. And if you click on one of these books, it'll give you a drop down of all the functions within that book. And Excel does a pretty good job at organizing everything. So if you're looking for a math and trig function, you would click the math and trig book and scroll down to find what you're looking for. So that's pretty much the intro to Excel functions, and throughout this course we're going to be using a lot of different functions to increase our workflow and make us more efficient.